Why did not you tell me? Mengapa kamu tidak memberitahuku? Why are you thinking alone? Mengapa kamu berpikir sendirian? Why is your father scolding you? Mengapa ayahmu memarahimu? Why can't you speak English? Mengapa kamu tidak bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris? Why can't you read fastly? Mengapa kamu tidak bisa membaca dengan cepat? Why should I help you? Mengapa aku harus membantumu? Why he is very angry. Mengapa dia sangat marah? Why is he very happy today? Mengapa dia sangat bahagia hari ini? Why did she go alone to the market? Mengapa dia pergi sendirian ke pasar? Why should you buy a new car? Mengapa kamu harus membeli mobil baru? Why did the students come today? Mengapa para siswa datang hari ini? Why they gave holiday today? Mengapa mereka libur hari ini? Why it is working properly? Mengapa itu berfungsi dengan baik? Why they are silent in the room? Mengapa mereka diam di ruangan itu? Why they went to the hospital? Mengapa mereka pergi ke rumah sakit? Why can't you tell this matter to him? Mengapa kamu tidak bisa menceritakan masalah ini kepadanya? Why can't you do this easy job? Mengapa kamu tidak bisa melakukan pekerjaan mudah ini? Why can't you pass your exams? Mengapa kamu tidak bisa lulus ujianmu? Why does he give you this money? Mengapa dia memberimu uang ini? Why does he look at you? Mengapa dia menatapmu? Why did she laugh at me? Mengapa dia menertawakanku? Why did you break this mobile? Mengapa kamu merusak ponsel ini? Why is he running very fastly? Mengapa dia berlari sangat cepat? Why is your father in the house? Mengapa ayahmu ada di rumah? Why did you come to our house? Mengapa kamu datang ke rumah kami? Why did you join in this institute? Mengapa kamu bergabung di institut ini? Why did your uncle go to Bangalore? Mengapa pamanmu pergi ke Bangalore? Why did you buy it on the footpath? Mengapa kamu membelinya di trotoar? Why did you marry Sarala? Mengapa kamu menikahi Sarala? Why is asking you? Mengapa dia menanyakan hal ini padamu? Why is she telling this matter? Mengapa dia menceritakan hal ini? Why did you complain about it? Mengapa kamu mengeluh tentang hal itu? Why are you learning? Mengapa kamu belajar? When do you take your breakfast? Kapan kamu sarapan? When do you go to this school? Kapan kamu pergi ke sekolah? When do you go to the college? Kapan kamu pergi ke kampus? When do you go to the office? Kapan kamu pergi ke kantor? When do you return back? Kapan kamu pulang? When will you meet me again? Kapan kamu akan bertemu denganku lagi? When will you start to Hyderabad? Kapan kamu akan berangkat ke Habad? When will you reach Hyderabad? Kapan kamu akan sampai di Dad? When did you go to your hometown? Kapan kamu pergi ke kampung halamanmu? When does your father buy a bike? Kapan ayahmu membeli sepeda motor? When does he repair it? Kapan dia memperbaikinya? When do you solve this problem? Kapan kamu menyelesaikan masalah ini? When do you show your laptop? Kapan kamu menunjukkan laptopmu? When do they arrange the party? Kapan mereka mengadakan pesta? When is your marriage? Kapan pernikahanmu? When will tell your opinion? Kapan kamu akan menyampaikan pendapatmu? When will I expect your reply? Kapan aku bisa mengharapkan balasanmu? Why are you late? Mengapa kamu terlambat? Why did you go there? Mengapa kamu pergi ke sana? Why did you come here? Mengapa kamu datang ke sini? Why did you discontinue your studies? Mengapa kamu berhenti belajar? Why did you go outside? Mengapa kamu pergi keluar? Why they are crying? Mengapa mereka menangis? Why they are laughing? Mengapa mereka tertawa? Why is this work very difficult? Mengapa pekerjaan ini sangat sulit? Why are you here? Mengapa kamu di sini? Why were you there yesterday? Mengapa kamu berada di sana kemarin? Why did you meet Mr. Raju? Mengapa kamu bertemu dengan Tuan Raju? Why did you ask the amount? Mengapa kamu menanyakan jumlah tersebut? Why will you go to Hyderabad? Mengapa kamu akan pergi ke Red? Why are you very serious? Mengapa kamu sangat serius? Why did you spend all the money? Mengapa kamu menghabiskan semua uang itu? Why did you go buy a rental car? Mengapa kamu pergi dengan mobil sewaan? Why did not you call me? Mengapa kamu tidak meneleponku?